You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ford Explorer. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, power front seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, blind spot sensor, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.